iPhone 17 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra versus the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So which one is the better smartphone camera in a showdown? So first we have iPhone 17 Pro Max. According to the Apple site, iPhone 17 Pro Max has a pro camera system with all 48 MP rear sensors. The main camera supports the best optical quality zoom ever on an iPhone. So it offers a wide specification of list and a display weight of around 230 grams for the specific Pro Max model. So then we have Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So this one offers is by the Samsung a leak specs with indicating a 200 MP main sensor, a telephoto with 5 times optical zoom and 50 MP per scope, and also has a discussion of substantial low improvement and due to wider aperture. Then we have the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So the Google Pixel 10 Pro is Google's stating that it is a studio quality photo video phone with upgraded ISP highest quality camera system to date for Pixel. It rumors to have triple rear cameras and 5 times the photo as well, and also has the XL size, which is larger and heavier per leaks. Now let's talk about their pros and cons. So for the pros of iPhone 17 Pro Max is it has an excellent overall camera system with all three rear cameras, a strong ecosystem and consistency with the Apple's image processings, and even has a top-tier zoom capability for an iPhone. Now for the Pixel Pro, it has a very strong camera performance and AI integration. It also offers telephoto capability with 5 times zoom optical and even has a long update support for over 7 years. Then we have the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which offers sensor size and specs which are impressive on paper and gives a huge potential. It is also likely very strong and zooms and details thanks to the high resolution sensors. Now for the cons though, the iPhone 1 may still not match the extreme telephoto zooms from Android competitors. And for the Pixel 10 Pro, camera is hardware which is strong and real-world battery are heavy and can get be annoying when you use it and put it in your pocket. Then for the Samsung one, there are still some high-resolution sensors which may lead to the larger file size and more processing load and possibly higher costs. So overall, it's best for iPhone 17 Pro Max if you're in the Apple ecosystem already. And it's best to choose Pixel 10 Pro if you're on Android and love computational photography, and it's best to choose the Galaxy S26 Ultra if you prioritize raw sensor power and extreme zoom. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification